All right, hello everyone. Welcome to Data Structures and Algorithms. Oh, there he is.
Welcome to you, everybody. The answer to our trivia question was Wally. Wally is our warrior.
Yep. When did he ask the trivia question?
I'll tune in at 5:25.
Okay. All right, well, welcome again to Honors Data Structures and Algorithms. My name is Mr. Macmillan. Students like to call me Mr. Mac because it's shorter. The board is off, so we're just gonna. Now, who am I? I am myself a Valley alumnus. I graduated from here back in 2012, so it's been quite a while. When I went to school, I went to University of the Pacific, where I got my bachelor's in computer science. While I was studying there, I tutored other students. That was my job while I worked there, was tutoring. So I never planned for my life to become a teacher, but as I look back at the signposts, I see how God has led me to be here today. So very happy to be here. I've been here, this is my 8th year teaching. So clearly I found the place where I'm very happy to be. But I never planned that back when I was imagining what I would do when I grew up. This will be my 2nd year teaching this class specifically. Last year went pretty well. So very happy to keep offering it this year. Glad that all your students decided to sign up for my new class. Super fun. And my slide, I didn't update this. We just celebrated our 6-year wedding anniversary. Here's a picture of myself and my wife. Now, why should your student continue to study computer science is the real question here. Hello, welcome. So the class that they are going to be taking is going to build even more problem-solving skills beyond just being able to debug a program and do some simple object-oriented programming. They're able to learn, here are some different ways that I can structure the information that I store in my programs. Here's different ways that I can interface with it. What is the best tool for the job? They're learning a new set of tools to use to improve their problem-solving abilities. Will also help them improve the efficiency of their programs. Knowing how to best structure the information that they store in their programs will help them to make more efficient programs as they go on. And a lot of programming jobs are going to use the information in this class as interview questions. So this is going to really, really help with those programming interviews that I'm sure that they will likely do in the future. Some stuff about our class specifically, Data Structures and Algorithms is designed to teach students about lots of different ways that they can store and access information in the code that they are writing. Choosing the best tool for any given job is a super important skill that they will need going forward in programming. So learning what the different tools they have access to are, how to interface with those, super, super helpful. A student needs to have taken CSA and done well to take this class because it builds very directly on that. The very first thing we do is, hey, here's a project so that you can remember all the things you learned in APCSA, and then we go forward and start learning new stuff. This class is roughly analogous to the 2nd class that a student learning computer science in university would take. So unfortunately, currently cannot offer it for college credit. I do not have my master's degree, so I cannot offer dual credit, but that's something I'm working on that hopefully in the future will be able to happen. So alas, not at the moment, but hopefully sometime in the future. If you have a student who is falling behind, if you see them needing more time to work on stuff, see them struggling, I encourage them to reread their textbook. Our textbook is entirely online. It's a new system not using CodeHS. It's called a Zybook. So it's interactive. It's got textbook materials. It's got quizzes. It's got small assignments, stuff for them to build in. And there are also programming assignments that I'm having them do to practice the skills that they are learning. All of my lecture slides are available on learnvcs.net. So if they ever want to go back and reread my interpretation and delivery of this information, that's all available for them. I strongly encourage them to attend office hours. I'm available in here Mondays and Wednesdays after school. I also help with an after school program on Tuesdays and Thursdays. So I won't be in here, but I'm on campus. So if they need to coordinate with me, they can talk to me. I will tell them where I'm going to be. I'm happy to help them even when I'm in that program. So I'm happy to coordinate. I'm trying to work with students to be as available as I possibly can. We do have a good amount of time during class for them to work where they will have access to both each other and me to answer questions. But if they need extracurricular time, they just need to coordinate with me. I do my best to be available. And last, if they send me an email, I try my best to respond as fast as I can, because if they are sending me an email, that means they're actively working on this thing and it's blocking them from continuing. So I do my best to make sure that I can help to clear away roadblocks so they can finish working on whatever assignment they're working on. So that is all the things we can do together to help. If you ever need to get in contact with me, there's my email, jmcmillan@vcs.net. Like I said before, I try to respond as fast as I can to anyone's emails. Student emails typically take priority because they're probably working on an assignment, but oh, there we go. There is our time right on the bell. Oh, another trivia question.
Purchase. Here's the hint. It's for fundraising. For our club.
What is students' favorite beverage to purchase after school? Usually as a fundraiser. All right, folks, thank you all for being here. I'm going to end the recording now. Boop, 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 boop.